In this video, I'm going to show you how to unmerge transactions in Wave. For this, first head over to your Wave dashboard. Once you're here, click on the Accounting option from the left-hand side menu of your screen, and a new menu will appear below it. From there, click on Transactions. After that, you'll be able to see all of your transactions listed. Now, locate the transaction that you recently merged. For example, let's say it's a $500 transaction. When we unmerge it, the total amount will double, and you'll also see that change reflected in the total balance. Once you've found the transaction, click on the arrow at the end of it. A small menu will appear. Click on Edit More Details. This will open the Edit pop-up window. Scroll down through this window, and near the bottom you'll find a section labeled Source. If the transaction was merged, you'll see it listed as Merged Transactions. Click on that option, and Wave will show you the details of both transactions that were merged together. If you want to separate them back into two individual transactions, click on Unmerge, and then confirm by clicking Confirm Unmerge. Once you do this, the transaction will split into two separate entries again. You'll also notice the total reflected amount adjust accordingly to show both entries. And this is how you can easily unmerge transactions in Wave.